Various changes have been made to the user interface of the Cloud Connect Tool Manager to improve usability and user experience. Access Cloud Connect Tool Manager from the Home ribbon either by selecting the Post Configurator dropdown, Cloud Connect Tool Manager, or by selecting Create Tool. Retrieve tools from Cloud Connect Tool Manager. Most notably, the embedded color scheme has been changed from dark to light. Furthermore, a primary and secondary work area have been introduced. In the command bar, the view can be changed from card to list with summary. On the left-hand side, users can find the primary work area, which provides an overview of the tool library. On the right-hand side, there is the secondary work area, where users have access to detailed information for the selected tool. Additional UI improvements include an improved command bar layout, with the command bar fixed relative to the primary and secondary work area. After creating a new tool, the system will automatically switch to the subtype library of the newly created tool and pre-select the tool for the user. This way, users don't need to search for tools they just created. Another new feature is the option to go back to the last page after switching to a different module using this button. All of these improvements optimize the workflow and increase intuitiveness and ease of use.